Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zubair. Today I want to show you how we can remove a background from our picture using Microsoft PowerPoint. I will show you two methods of editing two type of picture. One of them will work when you have a solid background and one of them will work when you have a more complex background. PowerPoint make it very easy to remove the background of your pictures and you can use them in presentation or anywhere you need it. So I will be using the latest version of PowerPoint here that comes with Office 365 and you can also use any version that will also work for this example. So let's open PowerPoint and let's open a blank presentation that have nothing into it. So I spent a lot of time in getting into pictures for me that have one of them has solid background and one of them have a more complex background. Let's drag and draw both of these pictures here and let's position them so that I can show you how to edit these both pictures, right? One is with solid background, other is with a more complex background, right? So let me position them. Okay, now as you can see my screen, this picture have a solid white background and this picture have a more complex background, and I will show you how we can remove these backgrounds from both of these pictures. I just drag and drop for photos here. As you have seen, you can also insert photo from going to here, clicking on the insert button and pictures and from this device and give it the path to your photos, and you can also get these photos from here like this. Now first I will show you how we can remove the background from this picture that have solid background here. One of the thing I want to show you, when you have any object in PowerPoint and you will click on it, you will get the option, additional option into PowerPoint. So when I click, I got the picture format. When I click outside of this, the picture format has gone. And if you see, if I click on it, then picture format again appear here. So in PowerPoint, when I go to picture format, there is a lot different option. You can use compressed picture, giant picture, reset picture, or transparency, artistic effect, and you can also color your picture. So PowerPoint is the basic tools to edit your pictures, right? You can use it for basic editing. So let's try to edit the background of my solid picture. I have selected the picture and then picture format, and then I will go to color. When I go to color, then I'm going to click on set transparent color here. So when I come to transparent color and then I come here and click on the picture here, and you have seen that now the background from my picture has been removed. The solid white or light cream background has been removed from my picture, and I'm able to see now the presentation title and subtitle headings on the back of the picture. So now I can move this picture anywhere. I can also reduce and increase the size of the picture, and I successfully remove the background from my solid picture that have solid colors, right? That's great. So this tool, solid set transparent color, works best when you have a solid background for your picture. But if you want to use this tool into this type of background, the picture has this type of background that is more complex, this won't work. Let's try that for your verification. I go to color and then set transparent color, and then I will click here and see I'm getting a strange view of the picture and the background, and it didn't work well for my this picture. So let's do undo by pressing a control Z, and now I'm back at the normal state of my this picture that have complex background. So what if you want to remove the background from this type of picture that have complex background? PowerPoint have another option to do that. So let's select the picture and in the picture format go to remove background. When I come to remove background, you can see that my picture is now showing a strange color and the background selected here. And this magenta color, you can see this is a portion that the photo will remove, and it's also trying to remove my half part from here, and it did a pretty good job. We cannot say this is perfect job, but it did a pretty good job. Here we have two options to fix this remaining thing. You can see mark areas to keep. So let's go to mark areas to keep, and I want to keep my this part, this grid, and now I think this is pretty good, and I want to mark area to remove. I want to mark this area to remove as well. So I think now it's perfect. And when you are all set and you are satisfied that your picture is correctly selected now and all the background is also correctly selected to remove, then you can go ahead and click on keep changes. That's perfect. Now you can see my this picture background is also gone, right? And I can move this picture now anywhere in the presentation, and I can set this picture anywhere. Now for the presentation, maybe I want to add a background here. So I can simply go to design and I can add any background I need to my this presentation, right, according to my requirement. This is just I want to show you that you can now add a single background to your presentation, and we have successfully removed the background we didn't require for our pictures. Okay. And now you also have the freedom of your photo by moving them where you want them, right? And that was nicely. However, this was a very quick and simple demonstration that how we can remove a background from our photo and add them to our PowerPoint presentation. Whether the background is solid or the background is more complex, we can remove it in PowerPoint and we can add those background to our PowerPoint presentation. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial of removing background from the picture. Keep watching for more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care. Bye.